What's up, everyone? Good morning. It's me, Shy. Anyways, today I am at Lake McSwain here in Merced County. This is my first time here. I'm here because I'm trying to catch my first German brown trout of the year. I've always wanted to catch one. They look really beautiful. So, actually, I just caught mine just a few minutes ago. It's right there. So, yeah, let me show it to y'all. Check this out. Is that a beauty or what? Look at that thing. Yeah, so that's my first brown trout ever, German brown trout. So I'm super excited. I didn't get the skunk. Anyways, thanks for watching my channel. I'm almost to 1,000 subscribers. I just need about, what, 6 more? Really appreciate it. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good day. I'm going to be throwing a lot of different lures. I caught that one on the tourist jigs. I'm going to use the fly. I'm going to use other stuff just to see, how the bite is and stuff like that. So yeah, check it out. Stay tuned, and I'll check with you guys later. All right, peace. Yeah, go. Fish on. Small guy. Let's see if it's a brown. Oh yeah. It is? Oh shoot, first brown. Oh dang, check that out. Man, look at that beautiful brown on the tourist jigs. Hold on. Oh, I thought that was. Oh no, yeah. Yeah. Oh, there we go. The tourist jigs, baby. Oh, oh man. Oh, this is a nice one. That's a bigger one too. Ooh, look at that guy. Look at that brown. Oh, this is a bigger one. Look at that. Man. Oh shoot. Oh dang. Check that out, guys. Check out that beautiful brown. Oh man. Man. They're feeding like crazy out there. Sean. Notorious. Ooh. Oh, this guy's a small guy. Bait fish. So, check this guy out, guys. Check out this beautiful brown. Boom, look at that. What a beautiful fish. Caught on that notorious jigs. Boom. Beautiful fish. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Shy. Anyways, I'm at McSwain fishing for some German brown trout. Anyways, shout out to Carlos. He's the ranger here at McSwain, and he invited me out. So big shout out to him. I caught my first brown, so super excited. Anyways, you got anything to say to the camera, bro?
Come and get him, man. That's what we post these videos for everybody come from everywhere to come and get these.
There you go, guys.
Have fun, bring the kids, teach them young.
There you go, guys. All right, peace out. Oh, yes, it does work. Oh yeah, finally. Woo, notorious jigs, baby. Look at that. Oh, on that notorious. I'm gonna keep this baby. Yeah, baby. It's a little small guy, but boom, check him out. Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Yes. Got him. Oh. Right, there we go. I think this guy's oh yeah, yep. I think that's clean. Oh yep, there it is. All right, that's clean right there. Okay, boom. Heck yeah. Let's see. Check that out, guys. Nice German brown. This is what I came for, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I don't. This fly. Oh, dang, he almost went for it. Oh, he almost went for it again. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, get on the fly. Oh, yep. Went for it. Finally. Ooh, yes. Check that out on the fly. You got the big guy?
Yeah.
Oh shit, hell yeah. Oh yes, okay, I got him. Yes. Woo. Finally. Limit out, baby. Woo. Check that out, baby. On that fly. Nice rainbow. German brown. Yeah. Let's see this. Man, check that out. Woo. Hey, what's up, everyone? It's me, Shy. About to call it a day here at Lake McSwain. I got invited out to fish for some German browns. Always wanted to catch one, beautiful trout. Shout out to Carlos. Check out his fishing page, Carlos fishing page. Thanks, brother. Thanks for giving me the tips and stuff. It was great to meet you today too. So, you know, shout out to you. Thanks to everyone for watching. I caught my limit. Caught my first one too. Caught them off Notorious Custom Jigs, the split tail super minnow, my favorite one. Plus, I also caught it off my supervisor's fly, so that was really cool. Anyways, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Subscribe, leave me a comment. I have about like 6 more subscribers to go, and then I hit 1K. I plan to do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, shout out to Notorious Custom Jigs, Jerry. One shot from Master Bear 559, John from Fish Hub, and of course David Bixler from D-Bix Custom Rods. Can't forget Yang from Ghost Jig Heads too, and Sean from Get Crush Baits. What's up, guys? Subscribe to my channel. Also, Phenomenal Jig Heads. What's up, Phil? Got you too. All right, guys. I am out of here. Subscribe. Peace.